Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariyea if you're new here. I like to do planning videos, sticker hauls, all the things planning. If you're interested in any of that, hit the subscribe button down below so that you can join my slowly growing community. I have a lot of exciting new videos planned that I want to do, and today's is no different. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome back. If you haven't hit the subscribe button down below, go ahead and do that. If you want to be alerted every time that I post a video, hit the little bell besides the subscribe button, and you'll be notified whenever I post so you never miss. Today I have a really exciting video. It's my first PlannerKate sticker haul from Etsy, so keep watching. Alright guys, so like I said, it's my first PlannerKate haul. I didn't get any like weekly sticker kits. This is strictly scripts and a few other sheets that I was excited to try out, and I just got it in and I wanted to film it and show you my true first impressions because I did not open it yet. Alright, let's see. Let's get her open. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Okay. I gotta open this up off camera because my invoice with my address is right behind this, so just give me one moment. Okay. So here are the freebies I got, which is so sweet. There's these labels, which I'll definitely use. I love functional planner stickers. Some little dots. I love those. Some, looks like half or quarter boxes. Some water trackers. This is a lot of freebies. Oh, I love these little icons. And these. That is so sweet. Thank you so much to PlannerKate. I will definitely be using, there's a 20% off code on the back, and I will definitely be using that because I have a whole bunch more of her little kits in my cart as we speak. So starting out, I have S600. They're all numbered, and this is just her film edit and upload sheet. I love this, and I will definitely be using that. Sunday Reset, and I got all of these in the JenPlans font. I love that font, and I'm really excited to just have all these stickers to be able to put in my planner. Work, because we all work. Meal plan. So like I said, I got a lot of script. Payday, just because I wanted to have, I really like the quality of her stickers too. These are some of my favorites. So I got the AM and the PM routine, and I thought this was super cute because it came with that little checkbox right by the side. I'm excited to use these. To-dos, because I always am writing this and I never like the way it turns out, so now I have a sticker for it. Bill due, and my idea for these was to use something like this and, like, you know, just layer it and then write out the bill. So I'm excited to use those. So that was all the scripts I got, and I'm definitely going to be needing some more, but those were the ones I wanted to start out with. This I'm super excited for because I want to have like a vision board type of page in my planner And I'll actually grab my planner really quick and show you guys where I want to put that. So I was planning, so when you open up your planner, sorry, gotta see if that's centered. There's that, and then there's this page that's like before the month even begins, and I wanted to use that for that, and it actually fits perfectly. I'm probably not gonna set it up like that, but I'm excited to put that in my planner. So yeah, I got that, and then I got some of these, 3 of them to be exact, because I have my I have 3 kits right now for February, March, and April, and so I decided to get, a dashboard monthly layout for each of them, and I'm super excited with the quality of these stickers, and I'm super excited to set up my planner now. This is like the one thing I was waiting for, were these stickers to set up my planner, and now that I have them, I can film my setup video. But yeah, guys, that's all I had for you today. A super quick little video. I just wanted to do a little unboxing and share that with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe down below so you don't miss another upload. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.